How fast is Cozy? Ready, Charlotte?
I cannot wait.
This is it. Oh, this has felt so surreal. Just watching the construction and finally reaching this moment. All the audio on the lift in as well. As we climb up to 236 feet above Thorpe Park. Wow. This view is going to be awesome. He climbs up the lift hill so fast as well.
Oh, we're nearly there.
Wow, you can see London in the distance as we build up to this awesome first drop. His hands in the air. Hyperia! There we go! Woo! Hyperia, that was incredible. Like,
that was amazing.
Speechless just to do our first ride on there. Like,
amazing.
just to have the moment captured as well. Like, that was insane.
Oh, that was amazing.
It felt so fast. It felt so fast on the ride. That was just insane. The speed of that, the storm, the outward bank airtime. We got some incredible airtime on it as well.
The views were just amazing. Wow, I'm lost for words.
Lots of work. It's one of them that you need so many rides on, so many rides. But that was insane. Like, absolutely insane just to ride it and just have that first moment captured. Thank you so much, Thorpe Park.
Thank you so much.
Just for capturing that moment for us. Like, you can never beat it, like your first reaction going on something.
No, I can't wait to see it.
Oh, that was awesome. I can't wait to ride that again. Like, that was insane. It was just so fast, wasn't it?
Amazing.
Wow. Hyperia, as we make our way back into the station just here. We found our fearless, Charlotte. That was it. I'm loving the audio as well, and another note, like, as we're climbing up the lift hill. Oh, here we go. And you're coming back in. Woo!